Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what you need to do to look more attractive. So it's a pick a pile reading. You need to choose the card whichever you drawn to. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose yellow pile. What you need to do to look more attractive. So pile number 1, who choose yellow pile. So you already attractive, but you want to look more attractive. You need to try different styles, like not just traditional or western. If you try different styles of dressings in different kind of dressings, not just stick to one kind of dressing, that will make you look more beautiful. If you are wearing only formals or just casuals or only traditional wear, so you need to wear all the dresses, like traditional, casual. I think it suits everything on you because you already attractive. So every traditional dress or western, formal, everything suits you. So to look more beautiful, if you are not wearing right now, so try to wear different kind of dresses. Try different styles actually. Try different kind of styles, not stick to only one kind of style. So try different kind of styles, whether it is not just related to some particular style. You can try multiple styles, like different styles, and you can adapt different kind of different cultural habits. Simply you need to change. If you are not wearing or if you are not trying different things, try to do different things. Just don't stick to single thing. If you try to adapt different multiple styles or multiple activities, that will make you more beautiful. You look more beautiful, or you can present yourself in a more attractive way to the people. So basically you need to adapt or you need to update, like trend wise. You should update yourself by trend wise. Up to date, you should be up to date. If you are not up to date, be up to date. It will make you more attractive. Let's move on to pile number 2, who choose green pile. What you need to do to look more attractive. So pile number 2, who choose green pile. First thing, you need to stop crying about your financial situation or financial problems. Try to be happy what you have. I think you already have whatever needed, or how much you require. You have in your life what you needed or you required amount of money or things, but the thing is you always unsatisfied. You feel unsatisfied whatever you have. So first, to look more attractive, first stop doing that. Stop feeling unsatisfied. So this is what makes you unattractive, I think, to the people. Maybe you are attractive, but the thing is whatever your behavior for crying for the things which is not there, not showing gratitude toward the things which is there, or if you are not appreciated the things what you have, you just looking for the things or feeling unsatisfied or sad for the things which is not there in your life. This will make you unattractive. So for to look more attractive, you need to stop doing that. You need to appreciate the things what you have in your life, whatever money you have, actually you have the financial situation what is required to you. Maybe you don't have much, but you have needed money, sufficient money. So first stop doing that. When you stop doing or stop crying about the things which is not there, that will be enough for you to look attractive. It will make you happy. When you are happy, definitely people will be attracted towards you. So stop crying about the things which is not there. Just feel happy for the things which is there, and feel satisfied. And when you are satisfied and happy, that will make you look more attractive to the people. So let's move on to pile number 3, who choose blue pile. What you need to do to look more attractive. So pile number 3, who choose blue pile, you need to be little bit more lovable or affectionate person. You should show more affection and care to the people. I think you are lack of that in your life. You are already attractive, but the thing is, why people won't feel attracted or you won't look more attractive is you don't show the care or affection to the people surrounding you. So maybe you think much about materialistic things, not about the love and care. So to look more attractive, show your kindness or your affection, your care, your love to the people who you are surrounded. To the people who you are living or who are your friends, family, neighbors. Show some care, affection, and some compassion and love. That will make you more attractive. When you show love and compassion and kindness to the people around you, it will make you to look more attractive. So this is what you need to change. If you are materialistic and you are not at all thinking about feelings, emotions and all, so just be little bit emotional, not over, just little bit, bring some emotions in your life, or feel your feelings, show some kindness, compassion and affection to the people around you. This will make you look more attractive to people. Let's move on to pile number 4, who choose white pile. What makes you, or what you need to do to look more attractive. Pile number 4, you are already a winner, or you are very much attracted towards, everyone is attracted to you because you are already in a winning position in some way in your life. I think in your life you are already winning at your life or in your life. So whatever doing, you are achieving everything. You are a winner in your life. So this already makes you attractive. People are already attracted towards the whatever you are achieving, your winnings. So people are already attracted. So what you need to do to look more attractive, or to keep this attraction for long time, don't stop. Whatever you are doing, don't stop. Continue it. Win in your life. Whatever battles you have, whatever problems you have, you don't give up. You always do hard work and try to achieve the things. No matter what, you just set the mind to win it. So whatever the problem, whatever the situation, you win that situation, you win that problem. So this is what makes you attractive. So just keep doing it. Don't stop. Don't give up. Whenever you feel difficulties also, don't try to give up, because this is what makes people more attractive towards you. So if you want to be attractive in long way also, just don't give up on things, or don't give up in your life. Just fight back and win in your life, whatever comes towards you. So your winnings, I can say your winnings or your achievements will make you more attractive. So keep going, don't stop. Let's move on to pile number 5, who choose red pile. What you need to do look more attractive. So pile number 5. So red pile. Stop guarding yourself. I think you are not giving yourself to people, or you are not entertaining people in your life. You are very much guarded. You are not freely opened, or you are not accessible to the people. So stop doing that. Actually, you are attractive, but the thing is, you don't allow people to see that attraction. Whatever you have, you guarded the things which make you attractive, whether it is a skills or your beauty, your personality, your communication skills, or any kind of other skills. You have those things which can attract the people, but the thing is, you guarded about that. You won't show to the people. So you need to open up yourself. You need to free yourself and open up yourself and show the skills or personality or beauty, whatever you show to the people. So it will make you more attractive. Actually, it is there inside you, but you are not showing it. You are hiding the things. You are guarding very much. You are very much guarded about those things. Maybe you are scared of something. Maybe people feel that jealous and they will do some harm. So because of that kind of thoughts, you are hiding your skills, your whatever your skills are, personality, your charming nature, your funny, cupid nature. You are just hiding those things, those beautiful things. So just show the real you. I can say it is just show the real you, because you have a lot of things which can make you more attractive, but the thing is, you are guarding yourself. So don't do that. Stop guarding and just show freely, open up, show your talents, skills, whatever you have. It will make you more attractive. So just stop guarding yourself. Thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe, and for personal readings, you can find the details in description box. You can mail me directly.